Away they go. Hidalgo, fast to begin rushing up his gold ruler. Hepburn down on the inside is Bodman's Bounty. Doomstead is running by Daral Gondor from the outside. Batang Aplaya, Dagger Loop. Rushing up is entry number 5. And this one is Chuchinelli. And rounding the far turn, Hidalgo. Gondor running down on the inside is Hepburn. And running in for Bodsman's Bounty, Gold Ruler, Dagger Loop is racing from the outside. Doomstead, the favorites, running in 8th position. And nearing the last 450 meters more to run, Hidalgo by a length and a half. Gondor, Dagger Loop from the outside, Hepburn and Bodsman's Bounty as they race the final corner. Number 2, Hidalgo is on the outside, Hepburn down on the inside, Dagger Loop on the further outside. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Hidalgo at the center, Dagger Loop, Hepburn down on the inside, and Gondor, Hepburn number 4, and hitting the finish line, Hepburn, Dagger Loop, Gondor, Hidalgo, and for your Pentafecta number 9, Batang Aplaya.